Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is May, bi-weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Scorpio. Scorpio, what's going on? Another deck, Four of Wands with Six of Swords. I think for some there is communication is coming, and Four of Wands. Maybe you want this happiness, this celebration with your person. For some, you both could be twin flames. You both are in twin flame journey. I think, but you both are in separation right now. I think there are some issues going between you and your person. But you want this, but it is not happening. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Four of Swords, Ace of Cups, and the Hermit. I think you are going through a transformation, major transformation. You are isolated from all. You are not talking with anyone, especially with your person. This is no contact situation for some. So you isolated from all, but you are thinking, you are seeing, and every detail. You are seeing everything in detail, and you are examining everything in your life in detail, but you are thinking about something or someone a lot. And I think you are doing self-love. You are giving priority to yourself, realizing your worth, Scorpio. Then present Seven of Swords, the World, and Seven of Wands. Definitely your person may be sneaky. Definitely one person in this connection could be sneaky, playing games with you, cheated on you, lied to you. For some, third party situation also involved in this connection. And for some, the same cycle repeating between you and your person again and again. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. And you are very defensive. Yes, you want to protect yourself from negative emotions, from negative people. You are very defensive right now. Then future, Nine of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, and Knight of Pentacles. You are very disturbed, and you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person. You still missing them, and you are getting a lot of anxiety and depression type of energy, but this is very temporary, Scorpio. Then you started focusing on your career, Eight of Pentacles. You started working hard towards your goal. And Knight of Pentacles, someone is coming to offer their love, definitely. And this person is very slow moving energy. For some this could be past person, for some it could be a new person, depending upon your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of air energy, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Two of Pentacles. Definitely your person is juggling. Maybe they have options. So let's see their true feelings, current feelings. Scorpio, their current feelings towards you. Knight of Wands. I think they are very attracted to you, Scorpio. They're wishing for this connection. They still have high hopes on this connection. They are thinking about you very positive way. Yes, Nine of Cups, they're wishing for this connection. And the Star, they are seeing something positive in this connection. I think your person is in and out of your life. I think there is no commitment in past. They are very, very attracted towards you. And Knight of Pentacles. I think in Knight of Pentacles, it's your person. Definitely they want to come back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level, and they are going to make action very soon. King of Wands. So let's see their true intentions. Scorpio, okay. Three of Swords. I think they are missing you right now if you are in separation with this person. Yeah. So they want success in this connection, Scorpio, and maybe in past they are having hard time to express their feelings to you, but now they want to express their feelings to you. Yes, they want to communicate with you. They are interested to talk with you. They are taking this relationship very seriously, and they want to offer stability to this connection, and they want success in this connection, and communication is coming, and they want to express their true feelings. Yes, communication with clarity is coming, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. If you are in separation with this person, they are heartbroken without you right now. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah. So they want new beginnings with you, and they really want to offer long-term commitment with you. They want to be with you forever. And Queen of Wands. So definitely they are going to be make action very soon, and maybe for some they are waiting for right time to make action. They are ready to take action. Yes, Wheel of Fortune. And under the deck, Four of Swords is also here. Definitely your person right now healing their self completely. They're doing meditation, but they're thinking about you a lot. Now they're ready to take action. They are wishing. I think you're also obsessed with this person. And Ace of Pentacles, two times Ace of Pentacles, definitely new beginnings, and you're also thinking about them. You're also feeling stuck. You're also obsessed with them. Lot of obsession. Maybe they are obsessed with you. Energy could be vice versa. But you also want new beginnings with this person. Yeah, see, Four of Wands. Definitely communication to fix the things between both of you. I think for some there will be reunion between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Mask, religious factors, passion, past life connection, true love, and I can't give you what you need. So the messages are mask, maybe one person not expressing the true feelings to you, and religious factors, for some your love life affecting, religious factors affecting your love life. And passion, yes, there is a lot of passion between both of you. For some you both have past life connection and true love, and I can't give you what you need. For some your person may be taking time. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Scorpio. Your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. And emotions are running high, super moon. So if your emotions are running high, do meditation to control them, and to heal yourself, do meditation. And your hard work is paying off, new moon in Capricorn. So if you are doing hard work consistently, definitely your hard work will pay off. Yes, result is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it was read to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.